Hey YouTube, back with another one. Today we're doing an in-depth review on the drop front shoe containers. So if you guys want a nice way to display your shoes, stay tuned. They come in quantities of 6 from the Container Store drop front shoe boxes. Okay, let's get into the box. I'm gonna get the rest of them out and I'm gonna get back with you guys. The case is off, some of them off, so I gotta put them all on there. And then I'm gonna get back with you guys. I'm gonna stack them up and then I'm gonna put some shoes in there so you can see how it looks with the shoes inside. And I got 3 packs of 6s, so that's 18 of them. But I plan on getting more in the future, and they're doing a good discount today. It's easy to put them back together. You just got these grooves, you just put them right in and snap right into place. Snap right into place. And they're stackable, so you can stack them on top of each other. I mean, I got stacked up so far. I'm gonna keep stacking the rest of them up. I'll get back with you guys. So that's how they look, stacked up and empty. I have 18 of them. I plan on getting more in the future. But now it's time to fill them up. I gotta figure out what shoe I want in what order and like stuff like that. So I gotta figure out what shoe to put where and how I wanna organize it. What it looks like with some shoes in there. I didn't put all my shoes in the cases yet. I don't feel like it right now at the moment. But you guys get the gist. You see what it look like. Yeah. So this is how my backdrop's gonna look for the most part on my YouTube videos. And I don't have them all filled, but you guys can get the gist of how it's gonna look. And if you guys want a part 2 of me filling them up, you guys can do that, or you just watch my next video. I'm gonna have them full, cause all my other shoes are still on my other display in my room. I wonder, did you guys get the new Fire Red 5s? I know I got my pair. And guys, you guys want to see a review of those? An early review? I got them. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, keep showing love, tell a friend to tell a friend. I got all the heat, you know. You guys give me some more video ideas you guys want to do. And I'll just keep reviewing more and more shoes and keep you guys updated and all the sneaker news, all the fashion, anything you guys want to talk about. And remember, like, comment, subscribe.